Picture your terminal. You ask an AI agent to do something tedious, scaffold a project, wire up an API, deploy a server. A normal agent does it and then forgets every single step the moment it finishes. This one does not. This one learns from it and keeps what it learned. That is the quiet flaw in almost every AI agent today. Brilliant for one task, then total amnesia. Ask it the same thing tomorrow and it starts from zero. The same prompts, the same mistakes, no memory at all that it ever did this before. Hermes, from Nous Research, breaks that pattern. Do a real piece of work once, and it captures how you did it as a reusable skill. The next time you need it, the agent already knows. As their tagline puts it, this is the agent that grows with you. And the update everyone is talking about is a single command, /learn. Point it at a folder of code, a documentation link, or a workflow you just finished, and Hermes writes the skill itself. No config files, no handwriting instructions. You just say, learn this. Here is the clever part. Every skill it learns becomes its own /command. Teach it to deploy your staging server once and forever after you just type /deploy. The agent quietly builds a personal menu of everything it knows how to do. And this is not some closed product. Hermes is fully open source under an MIT license, built in the open by Nous Research, the same lab behind the well-known Hermes models. Tens of thousands of developers have already started on GitHub. It is also model-agnostic. Plug in OpenAI, Anthropic, Grok, Kimi, GLM, over 300 models through a single connection. Hermes is not the model, it is the intelligent loop wrapped around whatever model you choose. At its core sits a learning loop. Do the task, capture a skill, reuse it, improve it, and go again. Most agents run in a straight line and stop. Hermes runs in a circle that gets a little smarter on every lap, and it actually remembers you. It searches its own past conversations, keeps a memory it curates over time, and builds a working model of who you are across every session, not just the one chat window you happen to have open. So here's the plan for the next few minutes. What /learn really does, the skill system underneath it, the tool and memory updates that shipped alongside it, how it compares, and the honest limits. Let us get into it. Start with /learn because it is the headline. You can feed it 4 very different things. A local code directory, an online documentation page, a workflow you just performed by hand, or even pasted notes describing a procedure. Any one of them gets distilled down into a single reusable skill. What it produces is one plain file, SKILL.md, a small header with a name and a one-line description, then 4 sections the agent always follows. When to use this, the step-by-step procedure, the pitfalls to avoid, and how to verify it actually worked. Readable by you, runnable by the agent. Every skill lives in one place, a hidden Hermes folder in your home directory. That is the single source of truth. Skills you write, skills/learn captures, and skills you install from the community all land in the same place and instantly become commands you can call. And it is deliberately token cheap. Hermes does not stuff every skill into the prompt. It loads a tiny index of names and descriptions first, roughly 3,000 tokens for everything it knows, and pulls the full instructions for a skill only when it actually needs them. They call it progressive disclosure, and it means a huge library stays light. Then there is the Curator, a quiet background process that keeps your skill library sharp. As you work, it refines skills, merges duplicates, and tightens vague descriptions on its own. Your agent gets better even when you are not looking, and you never have to stop and do housekeeping. It does not even wait for you to ask. After a genuinely complex task, say 5 or more tool calls, or right after it fixes a bug, Hermes will offer to save what it just figured out as a skill. The hard-won workflow becomes permanent instead of evaporating, and you do not have to start from an empty shelf. There is a skills hub. Browse and install ready-made skills from a public registry, every one security scanned before it is allowed to run. It follows an open skill standard, so a skill written for one agent can be shared with another. Alongside all that skills work came the tools. Nous bundles web search, a real browser the agent can drive, vision, image generation, and text-to-speech into one subscription on top of those 300 plus models. One login instead of juggling a drawer full of separate API keys. The sharpest upgrade is programmatic tool calling. Instead of pinging the model between every single step, Hermes writes a short script that calls its tools directly. collapsing a 10-step pipeline into one turn. The intermediate results never even touch the context window, which is faster and dramatically cheaper. It speaks MCP2, the open standard for plugging agents into outside tools, now with full secure sign-in. So Hermes can log into services like Linear, Sentry, Stripe, or Figma the proper way with real tokens. A single command installs and authenticates each connection, and it is not trapped in a terminal. The exact same agent runs as a native desktop app, a web dashboard, and right inside Telegram, Discord, Slack, even iMessage. One agent, one shared memory, reachable from every surface you already live in during the day. All of this landed fast. Nous has been shipping Hermes almost every single week since February. MCP support in March, the tool gateway and the portal in April, the native desktop app in June, and /learn just days ago. The pace has been genuinely relentless. Step back and the difference gets sharp. Most agents fall into two camps. Either they forget everything between sessions, or they make you handwrite every skill and workflow yourself. Hermes writes its own skills from your real work and then carries them forward. Memory is the whole feature, and that is exactly why it compounds. A normal agent is just as capable on day 100 as it was on day 1. An agent that learns gets measurably better every week you use it. Your skills, your tools, your context, all quietly stacking up underneath it. Now the honest part, because this is not magic. The fastest tool calling is Linux and Mac only for now, and capped per run. Auto-written skills still deserve a human glance before you trust them blindly, and being the only agent that truly learns is a marketing line. Plenty of others are chasing the very same idea, but the direction here is right. The real update is not any single feature on the list, it is memory. An agent that remembers what it learned is an agent that compounds, and that is a genuinely different animal from a chatbot that wipes itself clean every single morning. So, 4 things to take away. Hermes learns skills from your real work, /learn captures them in a single command. Every skill becomes a / command you can reuse forever, and the whole thing gets better the longer you actually run it. If this made the self-improving agent idea finally click, subscribe to Aura Labs. We break down what is actually changing in AI, one clear idea at a time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.